It's Jay.
And Kay, featuring.
Hello, I'm Rhiannon.
And we're doing the Woodwork Soccer Challenge for $500.
Alright, let's get it. Just don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'm gonna try and hit a chip shot just to the crossbar. 2 thumbs up. Oh. Oh.
Alright, but I'm gonna try and go for the crossbar.
Oh, but you did hit
that.
I'm gonna be aiming straight for the crossbar. Let's go. Okay, not at all.
To the left post.
Bang. Oh.
I'm gonna try and hit the triangle from the crossbar and the right post. I got lucky last time.
It's not a bad effort though.
I got a little bit more power.
Crossbar. Time to smash it. From corner to corner. Oh!
Alright, but this is my second try. We're gonna go for the triangle again.
Oh! Crossbar. Oh! Oh!
Third time the charm. We're gonna go for the triangle again.
Oh, and you almost hit the crossbar. Crossbar. From corner to corner. Oh.
Corner to corner.
Oh, the right post, that counts. Celebrate. We're all going for it, corner to corner. I'll take it. Let's get it. Oh.
Crossbar again. Oh, no way.
Oh, but you just barely missed. Corner to corner. Oh, no way. Oh. Oh, but you hit the post. Celebrate.
Crossbar with the sniper. Whoa.
Yes! Sudden death. Yeah, that's. Oh!
I just got my lucky Argentina hat on, and I'm gonna try and hit the crossbar.
Oh!
Go for the crossbar.
Yeah! Control! The winner of the $500 challenge. Woo-hoo!